Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick way of saving battery on your Android mobile or devices without using any external software or without downloading any application, and this is a guaranteed way that you will get a longer battery life from your mobile. So I'll share more details about this in the description also, and please go through the steps which I'm showing you here. First of all, go to settings on your device and go to its developer tab. This is the settings page on my tab. Hope you can see it. This is the settings page and this is the developer option. You can see the finger. This is the developer option. When you click on it, corresponding options appear next to that. Right? You can see that SD card, protect SD card, USB debugging, and there's a section where you can see the drawing. This with the name drawing, and you can see various options for GPU, show screen updates, and you can see a section Windows animation scale. So what here we are going to do, we are going to disable the Windows animation because this is the thing which eats a lot of memory on your device. You can save a lot of memory by disabling it, and uh, you won't get any performance degradation. So we'll just do that. You can see it how to disable it. Just go to these sections, window minimum scale. You can see the options. There's so much of animation there. You can just disable it. Disable the animation. You have disabled this. There's one more option. There are actually three options where you can disable the animation. Just switch off the animation in all the three animation. Disable the animation from all the three options by just clicking inside it, and here you come out. Now when you have turned off the animation, you have already done with the steps with the which eats your lot of battery. So this is one part of this video. Now I'll show you one more way. We know that there's a lot of applications which eats your battery, and whenever and you download Task Manager or Task Killer for these applications, what they basically do, they just kill the application. So I'll show you one way which these applications utilize to do that, and we can do that manually also. Just go to the settings, go to the settings tab. Instead of downloading Task Manager, any Task Killer app, you can download. You can use follow these steps. Go to this settings tab. Just go to your uh, application manager. Okay, now correspondingly you can see application manager, and you can see running tab and the downloaded app tabs. Right, this is the downloaded tab, and if I'll just swipe it, you will see running tab, and then you can see all tab. It is not of our concern here, but our major concern is running tab. You can see there are so many applications running here. So what these task killing applications do, they just kill this app. Like if you want to see, I'll just show you a demo that how to kill an application. Like I don't want this SMS Pro application. So when I'm killing it here, I'm stopping it. This is the same work being done by any task killer app. It also does the same thing. But the disadvantage of using a task killer app is this application automatically appears in your Android tablet or phone after some time. You would have observed the same. So now what is a strong way to kill this app so that it should not appear again automatically? As you saw, this is the running tab. I just moved and slide it to download it. Now for the point of time when you do not want an application, go to this download tab instead of running tab and just kill the app. I'll show you that a quick example. You can see the Facebook app. I do not want my Facebook app. It is consuming 20 MB of my RAM. So I'll just kill this. Now there's one way of killing it from here, but I do not prefer it because if I'll kill it in this way, it will reappear again and eat my battery. So I'll just go back. Instead of running tab, I will go to my downloaded tab, search for the Facebook app here. Here is my Facebook app. I just clicked it on. I think I just missed it. You can see it. You can see the Facebook app here, and I'm clicking on it. Various options will appear. Force stop, uninstall. Don't uninstall, just do a force stop. You can see a bit of warning, but this is none of concern. You can just OK it, and your app has been killed. And now if you will go to your running tab, there is no Facebook application here. And the benefit of using this process is this application will not run automatically until you click on it, until you want it to run. So this is the guaranteed way I would like to share with you guys, and so that you do not need to download any extra application, any paid or free, whatever it is, for saving your battery. And believe me, it's a guaranteed way, and it saves a lot of your battery. You can see the change within one day if you try this. First, kill the applications by your application manager in settings. Go to your downloaded tab instead of running tab, and from downloaded tab, click on the application name and do a force stop. Second thing, go to your developer option inside settings and go to your drawing tab, and wherever you see the word animation, click on it and turn off the animation. There will be three options in your all Android tabs or phones, whatever you are using, and these options can be killed from there. And this way you are surely gonna save a lot of your battery. So hope you guys find this video useful. Bye, take care.